Well, that's not fair, Mr. Crow. Don't kick out the pigeon. What's his spot? Oh, that's some treasure in the trash. Yeah. What is it? Let me just check it out. I hope it's not stuck. Oh, it is stuck. Oh my god. How do we get it out?
I don't. This is what, a rubber band? Like
It's a balloon. People need to just like not leave their balloons out.
No, this is not a balloon. This is one of those hair band things.
Oh. Yeah, we gotta call services to get this out. I'm not sure how they'll catch this animal. Let's do something.
Find out.
Yeah, let's go call somebody. Park services.
This is like a bowl on the hairband.
Yeah.
He has a plan to get it out.
And I get a lot of calls for stuff like this. And we don't call animal control because all they do is drop it in the water, scoop it up, bag it up, and leave.
Oh, okay.
So we usually when they get weak, they'll stand on the edge here, and then no problem.
Okay. So we'll be able to get it out. He's not gonna die from it.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
We experience this with these birds and the white ones that have the long goats.
Oh.
We get it all the time.
Okay, gotcha.
And it's nature, so it's only so much
Yeah.
we can do.
Thank you. Thank
Because
you.
we're only responsible really for the swans.
That turned out to be more interesting day than I thought it was gonna be. But I hope you guys liked this video. Please hit a like button and subscribe if you like it.
and we'll post more such videos. Thank you.